OpDots is a data visualization add-on for CRM, ERP, and other database systems that makes your employees and managers more productive in their daily tasks. Whether you use Salesforce or some other CRM system, chances are your employees use text listings like this to decide what their next activity should be. With page after page, nothing really jumps out here, and so it's nearly impossible to make good decisions quickly. So OpDots tackles this decision-making challenge in a different way, a visual way. OpDots puts all the same opportunities information on one screen, with one dot per item. Now what you're seeing here is everything that was in all of those pages of listings. That's a lot of information, so it may look a little confusing at first, but stick with me and I'll show you how easy it is. For opportunities like we see here, a dot's position, color, size, and shape tell us about the opportunity. The amount, stage, probability, close date, and even how recently the last update was made to the record. For instance, this big solid green dot is a large deal in negotiation that should close soon, but hasn't been updated by the salesperson. That signals an issue since most of the other deals have been updated. What's more, this is the end of the quarter. The blue bar here indicates today's date. You can tell that we're just 5 days out from the end of the quarter, and all of the solid dots that are close, those records haven't been touched. If I roll over a dot, I can see some basic information about the account. If I need to access the full detail, I simply click the dot. Part of the power of OpDots is seeing patterns to the dots. As we look across these salespeople, we see very different behaviors and results. This salesperson, Ed, has many active opportunities spread through all the deal stages and has a healthy pipeline next quarter. But down here, we can see that Sean has much less activity, fewer dots, and he's not keeping the CRM data updated consistently. We can see that through the solid dots. I can also tell that his pipeline is pretty light. Having the full context here, patterns like these really start to pop out. When it comes to reporting, OpDots has that figured out too. Simply click a row or column to see a summary of all the data contained within that section. You can drill down even further by clicking a figure within the report. This gives you a summary of the records that meet that criteria, along with links to those records within Salesforce. By clicking this camera icon in the upper right-hand corner, you get a snapshot of the screen and a report of all the information sent to your inbox. OpDots makes it faster and easier for managers and employees to see, act on, and update their CRM data. To learn more about the productivity power of OpDots and to see other video demos like this, visit OpDots.com.